The power of green. Why every restaurant, hotel, Airbnb, spa, nail salon, clinic, and wellness space needs plants. Hi everyone, it's Hyen from DH Garden Center in beautiful Kitsinalo. In the video today, we will talk about the invisible magic your space might be missing. Let's dive in. You know, before the welcome drink, the service, or even a hello, your customers are already forming an opinion about your business. What does your space say before you do? In industries where comfort, beauty, and atmosphere matter, the tiniest details make the biggest impact. And one of the most underestimated details is right in front of us. Plants. From luxury hotels to cozy Airbnbs, boutique nail salons to mental wellness clinics, live plants have become more than just an aesthetic choice. They are a strategic investment in your brand's emotional value, customer satisfaction, and revenue. This article will show you how greenery transforms how your space feels instantly, elevates your brand's image and perceived value, encourage guests to stay longer, spend more, and return, solves common hospitality pain points, stress, burnout, noise, and air quality, adds an affordable, high ROI element to your decor, requires less time, care, and money than you think. By the end, you'll see that indoor greenery is not a luxury. It's a necessity for modern hospitality success. Number 1, first impression happen in 7 seconds. Plants help you win them. Studies show that people form a judgment within 7 seconds of entering a space. In restaurants, spas, or hotels, that first impression shapes their mood, their expectations, and whether they'll come back. Here's what research tells us about what greenery triggers in the human brain. Calmness and trust. Greenery signals safety, life, and nourishment. It lowers heart rate and stress hormones almost instantly. Freshness and cleanliness. Large spaces are subconsciously perceived as better maintained and more sanitary, even if the cleaning is the same. Luxury, professionalism. Plants indicate intentional design, making your space look 30% more high-end according to customer perception studies. Number 2, industry leaders are already doing this. Across the hospitality and wellness world, some of the most respected businesses are investing in green interior design. Hotels, this luxury chain place greenery at the center of their brand identity. Hanging vines in lobbies, trees in the cafe, ferns in every suite. Guests report feeling connected to nature and more rested, leading to glowing reviews and increased bookings. Airbnbs with plants mean more bookings. A study of over 3,000 Airbnb listings showed that properties with real plants in the photos received 20-25% more inquiries than similar properties without greenery. High-end restaurants, Michelin-style dining spots like Noma, 11 Madison Park, and Planta fill their spaces with greenery to signal organic quality, health, and exclusivity. Spas, massage studios, wellness spaces that incorporate plants see higher rebooking rate. Customers report feeling more relaxed even before treatments begin. Want practical tips like these every week? Like this post and subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Plant Doctor Official, for smart, simple greenery ideas tailored for your business. In number 3, according to the science, plants improve customer behavior and perception. You don't have to be a design guru to harness the psychological power of plants. Here's how greenery affects customer behavior. First, greenery helps reduce anxiety. The moment someone walks into a space filled with plants, they instantly feel calmer. The breathing slows, the shoulders relax. It creates a peaceful, welcoming atmosphere, whether it's a waiting room, a spa, or a hotel lobby. Second, guests stay longer. Studies show that customers tend to linger 15 to 20% longer in green environments. And as we know, the longer they stay, the more likely they are to spend. Third, greenery increases perceived value. Plants make your space feel more high-end and professionally designed. This allows you to charge higher prices, while customers still feel like they're getting excellent value. Fourth, It boosts your social media visibility. Plant-filled spaces are just more photogenic. Guests love to take pictures, tag your business, and share their experience, giving you free organic marketing. And finally, greenery builds emotional loyalty. When customers feel relaxed and at peace in your space, they want to come back. And when they return, they often bring friends or family with them. So you're not just creating a beautiful space, you're creating a powerful, lasting experience they'll never forget. Even a single plant in a visible area near a check-in desk, by a window, or in a washroom can enhance a customer's sense of comfort and calm. Number 4, no greenery? Here's what you're losing. Now let's be blunt. What happens when your space has no greenery? It feels sterile. It photographs poorly. It increases visual fatigue, especially in a white-walled room. It communicates we didn't care enough to add beauty or life. Worse, customers may not even consciously notice the absence, but they'll feel it. They'll feel rushed, uneasy, disconnected, and they won't know why. Don't let a lack of plans silently hurt your business. Number 5, common objection and why they're easier to solve than you think. Many business owners hesitate when it comes to plans. Let's address the biggest concerns. It's too expensive. Fact, a single $40 plan can make a lobby feel hundreds of dollars more valuable. And most greenery pays for itself in just a few extra bookings or sales. I don't have time to care for them. Fact, some plants need watering only every 2-3 weeks. Plus, professional maintenance services are available for businesses. I kill every plant I touch. Fact, you just need the right match. Snake plants, pothos, and ZZ plants are nearly impossible to kill, and they thrive in low light. I don't know what works for my space. Fact, that's exactly what we're here for at DH Garden Center. We help you choose the best plant for your specific light, temperature, and vibe. No guesswork required. Curious but still unsure? If you are in Vancouver or live close by, visit DH Garden Center in Kitsilano, Vancouver, and let our team guide you. We've helped hundreds of businesses create green, beautiful, and low-maintenance environments that wow their customers. Number 6, where to put plants for maximum impact. By business type, hotels, Airbnb's entryway statement plants, e.g. rubber tree, monstera, bedroom nightstand succulents, bathroom-friendly peace lilies, balcony or patio planters for visual charm restaurants, cafes, hanging pothos or ferns near windows, small potted herbs on tables, yes, real, green dividers between seating areas for privacy, beauty living walls for Instagram appeal, spas, massage studios, bamboo or philodendron in treatment rooms, snake plant in corners, air purifying and elegant, sand style bonsai or moss bowls in waiting areas, nail and hair salons, light-filled plant shelves near mirrors, planters by the front desk to soften the space, easy care trailing plants above workstations, mental health clinics, calming greenery in client sitting areas, small desktop plants in therapist offices, earthy tones paired with a gentle lighting to promote safety. Number 7, what your guests say. When greenery is present here are common review words from guests and clients in spaces with greenery. So peaceful and welcoming. Felt like a retreat. Beautiful atmosphere. Didn't want to leave. Felt immediately calmer walking in. These aren't just compliments. They're marketing gold. When guests describe your space this way, they tell others. They take photos. They come back. Number 8, you don't need to go big. You just need to begin. Not ready for a full-scale plant design? No problem. Start with one plant at the front door, one at the checkout or desk, in the restroom, one in the sitting area. From there, build as you grow. Every plant adds life. Every plant adds value. Every plant tells your guests, we care. Let's make this easy for you. At DH Garden Center, we offer personalized plant recommendation for your space, high-quality indoor plants, and stately spot. Simple care instruction or monthly plant maintenance options. Ongoing support so you never feel lost. We're located in the heart of Kitsilano, Vancouver, and we love working with local businesses, big or small, to bring nature indoors beautifully and affordably. It's not about plants, it's about people. At the end of the day, you're not just running a business, you're creating a space where people come to feel better. Whether they're eating, healing, relaxing, or just getting away, your environment shapes how they feel and what they remember. Plants help them feel welcome, grounded, safe, inspired. And in an era where connection matters more than ever, that's not just decoration, it's transformation. Let's grow your business together. If this post inspired you, please like it, follow us, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Eat the Plant Doctor Official, for practical tips that truly help your business thrive. Ready to start? Come visit us at DH Garden Center, 3742 West 10th Ave, Kitsilano, Vancouver. Let's choose the perfect plants for your unique space, style, and business goals. Because when your space flourishes, so do your customers, and so does your business. Start today, grow tomorrow. We're with you every step of the way.